we're going to go over today the lights, the indirect lights, and some of the lighting tricks you can do that don't cost a lot of money. These are pretty cheap things, and you can do it at your house. It's really easy. So let's get started. So let me show you this one. This is my light up here, and it's an indirect light. I just got it aiming up. I like it because it's on a little swivel, so I can move it around if I need to. I got the other ring light aiming away from me, and the reason why I do that is if it's aiming at you, you get this ring on your glasses. So if you're wearing glasses, don't aim a ring light at your face because you'll get these crazy looking little rings on your glasses. It's really annoying looking. So just a big tip on that. And another thing is make it bright. Now the reason why I say make it bright, you can see it's dark now. The problem with making it dark is your camera can't gather a lot of information. So if you make it bright, it's really bright right now, and you can, in the post editing, you can bring the coloring down. So you can bring the lights down. Interesting tip on this: if you see the movie Castaway with Tom Hanks, and you see all the night scenes that they're doing on that, they're actually not night scenes. They are during the day. Almost every scene in Hollywood that's at night on a street is actually shot during the day, and they just bring the brightness down. They bring everything down to a blue glow. They do this on purpose so they can get the high resolution camera to get that good shot. Because if they shot this at night, you're not getting enough light in to make a shot. So, like I said, when you see people on YouTube and it looks darker, it looks more, personal. They actually had the lights really bright. They just brought it down in post production. So that's a big tip. And my ring light, I'll turn it on. The ring light, again, if you want more direct light in your face, that's why I got the ring light there. It's aiming away from me. I don't get the reflections on my glasses. So that's a tip for that. Now, let me show you one more tip on a green screen. So I got a pull down green screen in the background, and I generally just kind of re-angle the camera a little bit so that my body is in the green screen. So once I'm in the green screen, I'm all set. I don't want to bring my hands up while I'm in the green screen shot, because any of this motion when you're trying to edit, it gives a weird blur effect. So try to, when you're in front of a green screen, to not move. You can move your head a little bit, but try not to, throw your arms up and talk with your hands, because it really messes up green screen shots. And another thing is, this screen needs to be one consistent color of green behind you. And even though it looks like it's a consistent color of green, it is not right now. So what I did is I bought these two. It actually came in a 2-pack, and these two things, nice and bright, they light up just the green screen. So I got one aiming on this side, and the other of the 2-pack aiming on this side. And I turn them on, and I aim it up here, and I aim this one up. Let me lock this thing in place. There we go. I aim that one up here. And now my green screen is one consistent color. And when it's this color, it's actually a lighter green all around my body. I can easily edit this in post-production. It's a ton easier, and I'll show you right now. Right there, it's edited in post-production. Before, with the other green, you'll get these weird edges sometimes, so it's really hard to edit. So that's a couple of my tips to kind of help you out with lighting. And like I said, make it bright, because even though you see people on YouTube and it looks like they're dark and, more inclusive. It's actually done in post-production. They're bringing it lighting down, and that's how they're doing that. So that's it. And you like what we're doing, please subscribe because you all make it happen.